So to be honest, guys, it's becoming to be a little too much, man. I can't keep up. We have yet another early review. So it's time to brush the dust off them MNVNs. In today's video, we're gonna be taking an early look at the YEEZY MNVN Bright Cyan. Now we already know YEEZY's plan to drop a whole bunch of heat this coming summer. So my question is, will these joints be the one? What's good, guys? JA. If y'all are new here on this channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, but stay tuned for today's new review because it's coming right up next, y'all. So what's good, guys? What's going on, everybody? Salute. Appreciate everybody for pulling up for today's new video. So gotta keep it a buck. Great feeling waking up to some new YEEZYs at your door. So let's go ahead and check out these Bright Cyan joints. Gotta keep it a buck, guys. I'm excited to check these out. As you guys know, later this summer, YEEZY is planning on dropping the blue tint, which are very similar. So let's see what these joints are looking like. They're set to drop June 7th. The MNVN, of course, retails at $220. So, man, they did a good job of getting this joint really taped up. But stay tuned, guys. We're gonna check these out. Now, I wanted to do this unboxing kind of like the old days where we, get the first impression together. So I'm just destroying this box. About the Dennis Rodman this joint real quick. Oh, never mind. So when we check these out, man, I need everybody to drop your reaction, drop your first impressions. All right, so Bright Cyan, here's the box. Of course, you got the 700, got your little boost on the side. Size 10.5. For me, 700 V1s, MNVNs, as well as the V2. Fit true to size for my foot. Oh, okay, I see. My boy got John on there. Salute to the plug for sending these joints over. So let's check them out, y'all. First impressions down below, guys. 700 MNVN Bright Cyan. Let's see. That blue is sexy, y'all. That blue is looking nice, man. I didn't want to like these, but I might just go ahead and pop the tags because these joints might have to go right into the personal collection. So you know what time it is. Everybody, drop your first impression of the 700 MNVN Bright Cyan. We'll be right back with the full review. Gotta pay some bills real quick, so thank you to Addict for sponsoring today's video. Now, I know a lot of you guys are familiar with Addict. Well, they've just announced Addict 2.0, which is gonna be a game changer. So as y'all know, Addict supports over 85 sites, including Adidas, Supreme, Kith, and Bape, plus more retailers that carry your favorite Jordans, YEEZY, and more high profit items. Addict's been having constant success for users for every release, and they're one of the most reliable iOS bots on the market. Addict is a great investment for anyone looking to flip sneakers and make thousands monthly, or it's just a great tool to use if you're looking to secure sneakers for retail. Don't forget to click the link in the description to sign up at addict.io to be notified as soon as the Addict bot comes back in stock. So I don't know if it's just me, but I always get this weird feeling of deja vu when unboxing new YEEZYs. I guess it has to do with the feeling of seeing these sneakers leak early, and then when they finally drop, it's just crazy because I guess time's just going by so fast. But anyways, let's go ahead and get it right out the way. This is the perfect summer sneaker. So the 700 MNVN Bright Cyan gets its name, of course. Cyan is going to be a bluish green color shade. Now, describing the sole, guys, designed by the legend Steven Smith, Ye even revealed to us that the upper was a reimagined version of the 700. This one was designed by Christian Tresser. So you have a black sole, of course. On the bottom you have the white exposed boost, the MNVN. Mad comfortable, of course, the same level of comfort that we've grown to love from the Yeezy Boost model. So black sole, guys, same as the MN700 V1 as well as the V2. All the dips that you guys that make the Wave Runner unique is just all blacked out here. And then of course on the upper you got that beautiful Cyan blue. I would describe it somewhat as a baby blue. The 700 MNVN is dope because of course on the upper you got that nylon material, which gives it a different feel, a different look. You know, we're used to traditional uppers on sneakers, so this is something different in my opinion. The 700 going right across the upper is also a dope touch, and the 3M reflective goes crazy. So again, these joints are set to drop June 7th, retailing at $220. I've always described this model as taking the 700 V1, which to me is more of a retro inspired sneaker, and giving it an update, taking it to the future with the new nylon upper. Dope touch on the laces. They have tossed the old school laces. Here you have the Yeezy Infinity laces, which work great with this model. Again, futuristic vibes. And then of course on the tongue, you have a leather, somewhat type of leather material tongue. When it comes to sizing, guys, as I mentioned, I say these joints run true to size. You can go ahead and size up if you have wider feet or if you like a more loose fit with your sneakers. So great job by the Yeezy team for dropping this colorway on us right in time for the summer. Gotta say, this is the perfect summer sneaker. So in terms of ranking the colorways of the MNVN, it's kind of tough. I'll leave that up for you guys, so drop your comments down below ranking your favorite colors in the MNVN series. Gotta say that the orange are still my favorite, but these bright Cyan joints are definitely up there. Gotta give it some time though to really let it sink in. So of course we know the blue tints, which are very similar to this, possibly just a lighter shade, are also set to drop later this summer. So let me know, guys, are you feeling this bright Cyan or are you guys holding out for the blue tints? Also, we know the Honey Flux, the yellow colorway, are also expected to drop later this year. And I'm pretty sure Yeezy has some more colors up their sleeves. The possibilities are endless. Of course, I think all the people are waiting for a red version. I know a lot of people are waiting on that purple version, and maybe a royal blue would be dope as well. There's endless possibilities. Let me know as well which colorway of the MNVN you guys would like to see next. For me, I would like to see them switch it up a little bit. Maybe change the color of the sole, possibly the color of this 700. They could rework the upper or give us a multicolored upper on this joint as well. So there's so many endless possibilities. I'll be patient though and just enjoy the great colorways that we have set to drop this year. So appreciate everybody for checking out today's video. These joints, of course, will be going in the personal collection. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all.